What's up, you guys? Today I am back with another Instant Vortex Mini video. You guys, I love my air fryer. I use it all the time, especially making things for my kids that are quick and easy to do. And today I'm going to show you how I make some super crispy french fries for my son. So as you see, I just plugged the air fryer up, and you have your options that'll pop up, which is air fry, roast, reheat, and bake. I press the air fryer and you just hit start. And once you hit start, you will have probably like a 4 to 5 minute preheat stage that you will let go through. And after it's done, you will hear a beep and it will show add food. As you see right here, you add your food, whatever you want to put in there. And today I'm going to be using this brand of french fries. So as you see, very simple. I'm just going to add in my frozen french fries and let the air fryer do the work. So I'm going to stop talking and let you guys see how crispy these french fries came out. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, be sure to comment down below and let me know what would you like to see me air fry. Again, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.